Hi everybody and welcome to Monday, November 15th. For today is going to be our last day on argumentative writing. Today is our last day that we're really looking at the purpose and the structure of an argumentative essay. Hopefully by the end of class today you guys can actually speak to that now that you've gone through a full writing process. Today is an odds day. Thanksgiving break's coming soon, so look forward to that, chicos. Just give me some hard work this week and then we're going to rest for a little bit. Alright, due now today is going to be Quill. If you have not finished your TPAC-EPAC Fast Attack, I will allow you to work on that in order to submit it tonight. Tonight is the last night I will take late work on this if you're not done with your TPAC-EPAC Fast Attack. And if you are a little bit lost, go ahead and watch last Tuesday's video in which I explained what TPAC-EPAC was. I'm just checking the day for last Tuesday, so that was the 9th. Okay, so November 9th is when I explained that, if you are a little confused on it still. Okay, we will work on that. We are doing our final draft submission. I'm going to give you the rest of class today because I want these done. I want them done well. So you will have an entire day to do a final draft submission. Your exit ticket, you will have a TPAC-EPAC final review, just so that I know you understood. You're going to have an argumentative essay practice as well. For homework, whoops, let me go back a little bit. For homework, you have 3 things due for me. You have your argumentative essay practice, your essay rough draft, and your final argumentative draft on my axis. Let me show you where that is before I move on, okay? So, this is what's due to me. Literally everything in this box will be due to me as of Monday at 11:59 p.m. So Tuesday, you may get a homework card for any of these. Your due now must be complete, okay? Your essay structure has to be done. This is the prompt practice. If you have forgotten, I'm going to open it and click it. It has this. We went through this together, okay? This needs to be done. It needs to be done. This is days old. So that's your writing practice prompt. It's due tomorrow. Your rough draft, you must have your rough draft done. And ideally, ladies and gentlemen, that should be your best draft, okay? You need to have it done, period. What I am uploading tomorrow is the access to my axis. You will sign in, and then you will be able to log in and submit your final best draft, okay? So that's tomorrow. That's what should be done. That is homework. If you have not done any of them, due by Monday, 11:59 p.m. Let me get into what my axis directions are. So this is how you will submit. For those of you that did your homework and are working on it in class, when you are ready to submit, we will submit towards the end of class. In My Axis, you're going to click on the link to My Axis in Google Classroom, okay? I want you to enter your name and then your password and then sign in. So click the link. Once you open it up, you should have this. Then you're going to put your student ID number. For example, if your student ID number is 123456, you'll put that as your username. So this, 123456, whatever your ID number is. Then your password is your first name initial and your last name initial, followed by your 2-digit birth month and 2-digit birth date. For example, if you're John Smith, you were born on March 2nd, it would be right here, J.S. John Smith. He was born on March, so 03, and then 02. So if you're born on a date that is before a 10, you're going to be put 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, and 09. You guys get the point, okay? So put that in. John S. Oh, you guys can't see it. And then it would be 03, 02. No dashes, none of that. Just straight on. Then, when you sign in, you can view your dashboard. Go ahead and go under, click on assignments at the top left corner of the page. Okay, you're going to see all this fun stuff. Just go to assignments. Ignore the DWA prompt. Do not click start under any circumstance, chicos. Do not click start. Okay, you will not do your DWA. No, don't do it. Stop it. You are going to go ahead and just click join a class by entering the code right here. And we will do this together in class. But if you're working remotely or digitally, join a class right here. Then you're going to find the practice argumentative essay assigned by Hazel Arroyo. You're going to see Miss Arroyo's name there, right here. Okay. If you see right here where it says assigned by, this is Santa Ana Unified School District. This will say Ms. Arroyo's name. That's what you're going to click start on. Once you click start, read the prompt, make sure you're answering the assignment correctly, copy and paste the essay below that, right here. Okay, that's the prompt. Essay goes here. Be sure to click save, and then save and finish later if you're not done. So if you want to turn it in at 5 p.m. tonight, you need more time to work on it, that's fine. Click submit writing when you are done right here. Okay, that is all you have to do in order to access My Access and submit your essay and submit your final homework. So that's all we will be doing tomorrow. If you guys have any questions, as always, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school. Of course, I'm right here for you guys. If you have any questions on these videos or just need more information, please feel free to reach out to me. I know I go through them a little fast. All right, guys, as always, I will see you in class on Monday, and have a good one. Bye.